Tokedde. Oba tunaalya ki?
Welcome back to another video. We are in the same home. If you watch the previous video, it's about malewa, how it is prepared. We are making two videos at the same day. Just know I'm just changing the outfit. but this second video is about makila. Makila is also their, I think, among their traditional foods. But we are going to look at it in this video. So they first prepare the beans first. They first cook the beans first. We missed the first. Oh yeah. We missed the first stage, but regardless, we move. We are going to see how this comes up. Please don't go anywhere. There is so much information you need to know from this video. I need to put this back and we get to the video. At this time, our beans are ready, so we're going to go to the next stage. As I told you in the first video, hope you watched it, this lady is too fast. So I have to follow her lead. So if I'm trying not to miss out anything, but she's too fast. Hope you're learning something new. Hope you're getting what I'm trying to show to the world. This is what they call makila. Makila.
Yoganoi shikamo habari. Koizeo mulembe. Sani bonani. Sanu. Aslema. Bonjour. Mbotenayo. The spirit of Africa is within us. Bold, strong, rich, united, blessed.
I think these people love using the black salt. Hope I'm getting that right. Black salt. And again they add in the salt. That white salt.
Down in Africa. The DNA of Africa.
So that is Chisula. Well, if I'm getting the wrong name in English, please you can put the right one in the comment section.
Brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
So this is what I was calling the white salt. They add in the rock salt, the black salt, and also that white salt. And the food comes out delicious, actually. By the way, the food comes out delicious. Yeah, one thing you should know about Ugandan food, it is either salty or sweet. So those who are watching until this stage, thank you so much. Our magila or our sauce is going to take more 10 minutes, and then we eat. We are going to use the same food we used in the first video you watched, matoke, the green banana. Yeah. All right, thank you so much. Let us go into the end of this video, the end part. That is where we do what we do best. We eat and we share our thoughts, and also feel free to request for any video you want to see next on Eating the African Way.
Talk about game reserves, national parks, waterfalls, islands. Wait a minute. Food. A minute. Food. Tulina amayuni, sukali ndizi, ebinyebwa, ebyennyanja tulya, eshabwe, malekwanga. a variety of food. In Cameroon, there is ekwang, achu soup, sesa plantations, Accra banana, jollof rice, kati kati chicken. In Sudan, we have kisra, el marara, and umfitit. In Sierra Leone, we have groundnut stew made from peanuts, meat, tomatoes, and onions. We have cassava bread made from the flour from the starchy root of the cassava plant. Okra stew made from the vegetable often referred to as lady's fingers. Oh, how I love Africa, a beautiful continent. A lot of food, to mention but a few. Ugali, sukuma wiki, fufu, fried stew, agidi, and a lot more. Mwebale, afuyo mate, asante.
I thank you so much for keeping yourself on Eating the African Way. If you have just landed to this part in this video, you have just joined us. My name is Nicholas and this is Eating the African Way. This is my favorite part and this is what I do best. I eat and I'm always so impatient to this last part. Since there are two videos we are doing today, I'm going to reduce the food and you are seeing two plates with each. Now English is failing me. There are two plates in front of me and one with food. So I'm going to reduce this food because one is going to go to the person behind the camera. And also I have to eat less food because I haven't done the last part for the first video. So I need to create enough space for that part. All right. Woohoo. My hands are clean, don't worry, I washed them off the camera. You know, they added in salt and then the black salt, and I was worried how these two are going to be balancing the sauce, but it comes out delicious. Okutambula kulaba okuddayo kunyumya.
Ebintu biwoma.
Biwoma. Iko tam. Just that the salt is a bit
Hi.
not high. I'm not counting this as a loss. At the last part, I'm getting something to eat. I think we are done with some of the eastern part, the Bagisu. I think we are not coming back this side again for the videos, maybe for the holiday. To take tour into the mountain Ergon, go through the game parks. Yeah, to have fun around. I think we'll come back when you're going to visit other tribes again from this side, because there are so many that eat the sorts. Bagisu, I think Bagisu and Basoga, their food is almost the same. They have the same type of food. There also other tribes like Basamia. What else? There are so many. I cannot mention all the what? They are from this side. Whew, we still have a lot to cover. Even Vanilla from this side. Oh, those who are watching, you can come and join us spiritually. I know because you cannot be here, but spiritually you can be here through the lens. But thank you so much for being part of eating the African way. And I'm eating this as I'm thinking about the first video. I don't know if you watched that, but if you did not, the link is going to be in the description box of this very video, or to the last part of this video. I think this is the last part. Amafumbi ennyo oba nekya tukomewo. Wow. All right, I think I need to close this video. I give time to my cameraman to enjoy the food. I'll finish mine off the camera. I don't want to make it this video so long. Yeah, we need to end this video and go back to Kampala. Yeah. All right, bye bye. Catch up later in the next video. I love you all.